Using PLR to create content. This is a review of Managing Anger, Anxiety and Fear PLR pack. Hi, I'm Kerry from Dream Creative Bee and welcome to my channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP low content books, Etsy and affiliate marketing with new training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button. So today I'm doing two things. I'm actually showing you how to take some PLR and recreate it and use it as a low content book that can be used as a traffic method. And I'm also reviewing a new PLR pack that has come out from Gary at 30minutemarketing.net. And this PLR, or private label rights, is a pack of lead magnets that you can be using in the self-help niche, and it's aimed at managing anger, anxiety and fear. It launches today on the 20th of December 2020 and it's going to be selling for $12.95 in the front end, and it ends at the end of December 24th 2020, and then the price is going to go up to $37. But in this first front end pack you actually get 3 different reports or 3 different lead magnets and actually 3 different opt-in forms that are really easy to use and to actually create using on Groovepages, or you can also be using on your own website because all websites are HTML. So it says here, cash in on the growing self-help niche by building your own audience and show them how to deal with negative emotions by managing anger, anxiety and fear. And this is the sales page. It talks about high quality lead magnet, save hours of creating your own, generate endless traffic, ready to upload PDF format. It's easy to use, edit HTML format and easy to edit Word format. And it says get your own copy now. So it's introducing dealing with negative emotions, managing anger, anxiety and fear. It's about getting a high quality lead magnet pack. So the first one's about fear. So you get the report, that's 12 pages and 3,709 words. It's delivered to you in Word, so it's easy to edit. If you haven't got Word, you can actually use Google Docs because Google Docs opens up Word. And you also get this landing page template, which is easily edited in Groovepages and HTML format. And I'll show you how that is done. But he also gives you training inside the membership area where you download your lead magnets. Anger is another one, a special report, and then anxiety is the third report. So you actually get 3 reports and 3 opt-in pages that you can be using. It also comes up with mock-ups and some book covers and that, but you should be actually changing them using your own, making it more unique. So the price as of today is $12.95. It is going up in 5 days time, 8 hours, so it will go up on the 25th of December. So I was very lucky. I actually got a preview of the pack from Gary over at 30minutemarketing.net, and this is the back end where you actually download, and this is the front end, which is $12.95. And if we just click in start, I'll show you all what you get. So you get your special reports, you get covers, mock-ups, managing anxiety, squeeze pages, and there's also a bonus stress relief. So if I go into my area, this is the area here. I've downloaded all these different ones here, and as you can see, there's the reports all in Word doc, and there's some mock-ups here, and there's the bonus, and there's the web pages that all come in HTML, and this is how one of them actually looks. That's not been edited, not been changed by me or anything like that, but can easily be done, and I'll show you how that is. So what I did is I actually took one of the documents, which is this, how to manage anxiety, and I am going to use it as a lead magnet as well, but I thought that I would create a low content book and put some of the information in it. So what I did is I started out with PowerPoint, and I put this journal belongs to. I'm going to change some of the fonts because although I love cursive writing, it can be quite difficult to read. So I've also then done visit our website to get 7 simple steps to beat anxiety today. That is that lead magnet that I'll rewrite, put some nice fancy background in, put some images, different things like that. And then inside of my anxiety journal. I've put 6 daily habits, and I got that from this report here. All I did was I changed some of the wording, I knocked some of the things out, I reduced it because it's just a quick journal. So I also then took some other parts of it and put breathing strategies that can help manage your anxiety, and again these stretches are here. And then I've put some tables for people to actually mark down date, time, what happened, how did it make you feel, how did you react, rate your mood, you know, what helps soothe your anxiety. And then here, please be kind to yourself. If a friend was feeling the same way you are now, what would you do? So this is part of the journal. And then inside that, I'm also going to put like some coloring pages, some mandalas, some meditation, some mindfulness things, put some extra pages for people to be doing journaling and some notes in it. So it actually makes it into an anxiety journal. Not only that, I can then put different covers with it, because even though it's a low content book, so I could maybe make 5 books out of this. And the reason I've put this here is because then I can put a QR code. Now, Office is great because it has this add-in here, says get add-ins. And if you go to get add-ins, you can actually search for this free one, which is QR for Office. And any Office program actually has it. And what it does is it gives a QR code of any website. So I've already added it. So it is there and it is free to use. What you do is you can select where you want people to actually go, put in the website address there, and that's where they go. So this is all for $12.95. So what he suggests is you use Groovepages. Why? Because Groovepages is actually free. And when it's free, you actually get 3 different websites you can build. You get Upsell, you get Groove Affiliate, who might have some affiliate programs for you to actually be selling, and I'll show you some affiliate programs as well. And you get Groove Mail, Groove Video, and Groove Car. Now all of these on the freemium model are limited, but you can get started for nothing. So here's Groovepages, and you can build up to 3 of these websites. I've already used 1. And it says you can get 2 more. So all I do is click on new site. I want a blank template because he's already provided me with my code. So I just click start build. And then up here where you see the 2 little brackets and slash means code embed. So I just click on that and it's edit source code. So what I do is I go back to my anxiety and I actually want to open it with a HTML editing program. And I've got Sublime Text. You can have Notepad++. You can use BB Edit. Sublime Text is free on the freemium. So what it's opened it straight up for me. So all I do is Command A or Control A, and that selects it all. Command C, and then for some reason I can't just Command V or Control V on here to paste, so I just right click and paste, and it's brought all that for me. All I need to do is click Save, and it's instantly brought this in, and all I have to do is I can edit anything here. I can change any of the writing. I can change the style of it. I can make it bigger if I want. I can change the color of it. I can do what I want. I can make it my own. I can also integrate with my autoresponder if you've got your own, like Aweber, which also does free ones, but you can also get a free one with Groove Funnels. You can get Groove Mail, and I have actually created a video on how to integrate Groove Mail with Groovepages, and that'll be in the top right hand corner if you're interested in doing this. So why would you do this? Well, creating low content books are great. They create lots of great income, but you can be doubling your income by also providing this. and then sending people emails and sending them to affiliate offers. So where do you find affiliate offers? Well, one of the best places to go and look is probably ClickBank, because it's the easiest to sign up with. So at ClickBank, there is a program called Panic Away that deals with anxiety. You can sign up for their updates. They also give you ebooks and starter kits and articles to help you, and you also get up to 75% commission. There's also Brian Tracy affiliate program at Commission Junction. Now this, you might not be as successful or as easier to get as a ClickBank affiliate, although ClickBank is not in all countries, but you can give it a go. His programs are very good. His books are very good, and he deals with all sorts of things in the self-help niche. Now, there are some major brands in the self-help niche like Hay House and Mindvalley, but you have to be a mega player in order to be an affiliate for them. But this is a start. There's also another affiliate program called mindbodyrecover.co.uk, and this has also on ClickBank, and it does the power of optimism. It walks through all the different keywords that you can be using about panic attacks, chronic attacks, anything like that. And then there's also another one that's about hypnosis downloads. They have an affiliate program in all sorts of different fields: emotional intelligence, depression, relaxation, self-confidence, self-esteem, social anxiety, and their commission rate is about 35% plus 5% second tier. So they have different programs that you can actually look at, and I'll leave a link in the description for those. So that is a way of actually getting more income. Now, like I said, here's front end is $12.95, so there are 3 upsells. Now the second upsell is actually 15 done for your videos. During the launch period, this is $17, and it will be going up to $47 after the launch period, and you get 15 done for your videos. They're all done in a PowerPoint slide with somebody talking. They're 3 minutes long. Do you need them? Maybe. If you want to start putting it in your own area, if you want to sell these as some training programs. Now, if you go the GrooveFunnels way, you cannot use GrooveMember as a members area. You can use pages that you give them passwords to and things like that, but you can't be using it on the free one. And I would suggest that you would upload them either to YouTube as unlisted or Amazon S3 or somewhere like that. Then Upsell 2 is actually 3 more reports in the procrastination, find confidence, and be grateful. So you could actually begin doing low content books about confidence, gratitude, procrastination, and then linking them to the lead page, and then linking people. So obviously don't forget that you can actually be driving people to these lead pages anyway by using ads, Bing ads, or social media like Instagram, Pinterest, or anything like that. So this is, again, you get the reports, you get the opt-in page that I've just shown you. And you might say, Kerry, but you only get 3 web pages. Well, you get funnels inside here. So instead of just putting it like I did there, what we can do is we can add a new funnel here, and you can be linking these funnels out. So I'm just going to click add, and it wakes up. Add a page, blank, and it's added it now. And again, I could just put that there. I could go back here, and this time I could do fear. So again, spline text. Let's open that one up. Control A, Control C, right click and paste, and again save. And now that's put that into a different funnel. So I could have different funnels actually going through as well. So you could build your thank you page, your download page, your where you get your stuff from page, and you can be selling things through this with using Groovesell. So that is Upsell 2. And then Upsell 3 is again some more videos. Again, this is 15 done for your videos. They're over 3 minutes in length, they're HD quality, and again, you can be selling these as your own as full profit, so you can be taking people onto that, or you can be using them as part of a training program. So you can be sending people with the emails that you're sending, oh, check this video out, that'll help you with such a thing, and then recommending again another affiliate program, or recommending your own books like your own gratitude journals or your own procrastination goal planner or anything like that. So again, the link will be down in the description to get your own copy of this PLR, which is $12.95 during the launch period. If you've got any comments or any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comment section. I do answer every single one, and I'll also put the links to these different affiliate programs down in the description as well, and I'll put a link down into Groovepages, but he's already got links here and training, like I said, inside for you to go and check out to see how actually easy it was to do. And again, like I showed you, you can see that they are there and they are mobile friendly. There's some things you have to do, and you can integrate with your own autoresponder, or you can use theirs. And you can also publish, so you're not paying for hosting. You can publish and host it on their site, and you can even use your own domain. So you can go to Namecheap, get a cheap domain for about $10, and that would make it look a bit more professional. So that is that. So it's $12.95 for the front end, 3 reports that you get about anger, fear and anxiety. Then upsell 1 is about the 15 videos that are already done for you, over 3 minutes each, and they're all to do with anxiety, fear and anger. Then upsell 2 is about 3 more lead magnets or 3 more reports, and they're to do with procrastination, gratitude, and what's the other one? Procrastination, gratitude, and see, confidence. So, and again, they can all link to those different affiliate programs that I showed you. And then upsell 3 is again 15 done for videos, but again for confidence, gratitude and procrastination. So check it out, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, go and watch the video again or ask questions in the comments. Over on the right hand side there are some training and review videos. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to be notified about any new videos on my channel.